So in the previous video, we spoke about what is AI. If you haven't watched that video, be sure to check the link below. Today, let's talk about what different kinds of AI there are. And going back to that example of cars. So remember that in the olden days, we used to have those, now we call them vintage cars. They used to have a manual shift gear. They used to have manual windows. Everything used to be much different than what it is right now. And now we have these modern cars, we have electric cars, autonomous driving, lots of sensors. The cars are much smarter than before. Similarly, AI has gone through this transition as well. Earlier, in the olden days, we used to have something called rule-based AI. Here, we would define the rules one by one. And nowadays, we have another kind of AI which is called model-based AI. So instead of defining rules one by one, instead of hard-coding the rules, we create a model that learns from the data. It looks for insights and learns the trends inside the data and then adapts accordingly. Let me give you an example. For example, in the olden days when we wanted to detect spam email that's not relevant to us, coders would go in and hard code these rules. If your email contains the word lottery, funds, urgent, stuff like this, then classify this email as spam. But the spammers became more intelligent. They started avoiding these words. They started making the emails more personalized. And now these hard-coded rules would find it really difficult to find spam emails. Instead, we use a model-based spam detection. Here, we feed the data of how spam emails look like and how good emails look like. The model infers from this data, it learns from this data, finds the trends of how spammers are constructing their emails and learns how to detect these spam emails. As time goes on, we feed more and more spam emails, the model learns more and more. This is also called incremental learning. So here, let's sum up. We talked about two main types of AI, rule-based AI that was used in the olden days and model-based AI, that is more of what current AI models are currently used of. So, to sum up, we have talked about two main types of AI. The old rule-based AI, we would hard-code the rules, and the modern model-based AI, where we create a model which learns from the data. In the next coming videos, we'll speak about how these model-based AIs are also classified amongst themselves. Stay tuned for more.